With the explosion of the Texas wine industry, we at Schreiner University decided to do something about it. So we started a viticulture program called Vinos dos Colinas. With Vinos dos Colinas, we're providing an education basis around farming and viticulture sciences to allow you to advance your career in the world of grape growing. We're focusing on the practical skills needed to be a vineyard operator. So you'll learn things like irrigation, tractor maintenance, tractor operation, spraying, all the things that you need to know to operate and be a great labor force for the vineyard industry in Texas. At Schreiner University, we fully believe and are committed to helping people find careers and great opportunities. With this viticulture program and the growth of the Texas wine industry, the sky's the limit after having some certification towards that career. You'll learn excellent things and have excellent opportunities for all the positions that are open in the wine industry in Texas. So after a great year, in our first year of the certificate program, we've educated some people and now they have moved into the Texas wine industry. We've got one who is currently managing a tasting room and the others endeavoring and planting their very first vineyard in East Texas. All of that education, connections, and direction came from the Viticulture Certificate Program at Schreiner University. For more information, visit schreiner.edu. We hope to see you on the campus vineyard sometime. Drink Texas, Texas.